So I found a cool sound here in Simpla's ambient and evolving menu. Sounds like this. I thought I'm going to use it, for example, in this part of the remix. To add some texture here and fill it out. So let's work on this preset a bit. And to begin with, I'm going to increase the filter frequency. Let that top end come through more. I'm also going to slow down the attack, make it a bit softer. And this sound actually comes with a lot of low end, so let's use an EQ8 and apply a steep cut and then lose all those frequencies that will interfere with the low end of the track. Like this much even. Let's bring down the resonance for more gentle slope. And I played in a little idea here. And perhaps something like this could work in the remix. Use those two notes here again that we also have in the pad that plays underneath the chorus. So let's work on this sound a bit more. And I actually want to add a sort of rhythmic pattern to it. And I thought it would be cool if it would actually play the same sort of pattern that we have here in this analog sequence. And one way how we could apply this to this pad could be with the help of a noise gate. So let's insert that here. Open the sidechain option. And then I'm going to route the analog sequence into the sidechain input. So let's select the track. And then initially the noise gate is just going to mute the channel. But then when I adjust the threshold, you can hear that the noise gate opens with every note that comes from the analog sequence. Let's lengthen the release time a bit for a more gentle gate effect and adjust the threshold. Eventually you find this sweet spot where both the pad and the sequence play that same rhythmic pattern. Let's make this a bit more spacey, and I'm going to use a preset from the Echo, long tape, and that adds this huge spacious atmospheric texture to it. With a quarter delay here, bit of modulation, and it also adds noise actually here. I'm also going to go with the built-in reverb that the Echo comes with and make that even longer here. And like this we should have a really cool result. However, that built-in white noise actually adds some more rumble, some more bottom end that we don't want. So let's add another EQ8 here at the end and roll off those lowest frequencies. Let's open this up. And here we can see around 50 Hertz. There's some frequencies we don't need. So I'm going to apply a low shelf like this. And then decrease the resonance again. And yeah, losing those lower frequencies really helps to declutter your mix. So overall, I've got a cool atmospheric yet rhythmic pad.